Antarctica, that vast white continent blanketed in thick ice, is beyond our imagination. Picture a landmass larger than Australia and Europe combined. A continent that could easily fit North America and Europe within its borders. Its immense size and harsh nature make it one of Earth's most mysterious places. Even today, scientists continue to explore its secrets, trying to understand the changes occurring there.
Distance from the Antarctic Peninsula to the opposite side of the continent is equivalent to the distance from the Canadian Arctic Islands to Mexico. If we placed it over Europe, the continent would stretch from the northernmost parts of Norway and Finland to Iran and Iraq in the southeast, and as far as Ireland to the middle of the Atlantic Ocean in the west. It's truly a massive continent, but it's isolated and inhospitable. The defining feature of Antarctica is its enormous ice sheet, with an average thickness of more than 2 kilometers. Can you imagine that? An entire continent covered in frozen water. This icy giant contains 61% of the world's fresh water. And if all this ice were to melt, it wouldn't just quench our thirst. It would submerge us, causing sea levels to rise by 60 meters, permanently reshaping the world's coastlines. Now let's delve into 6 new facts hidden beneath the ice in Antarctica. Welcome to GeoStory. First, the deepest valley on Earth. Imagine a valley so vast and deep that it makes the Grand Canyon seem insignificant in comparison. Now imagine this valley buried under kilometers of ice. This is the reality of the Denman Glacier, which reaches a depth of 3,500 meters, or more than 11,000 feet below sea level, making it much deeper than the Grand Canyon. The Denman Glacier acts as a bridge over this deep valley, with its western side resting on the edge of the valley, while its eastern side settles on more stable ground. But this stability is threatened, as studies indicate that the Denman Glacier is retreating in the middle and on the sides annually. The retreat of the ice may allow warm ocean water to infiltrate the valley, accelerating the melting process. If the Denman Glacier collapses, sea levels could rise dramatically, affecting coastal communities around the world. Additionally, excess water may disrupt ocean currents, affecting global climate patterns. Understanding the Denman Glacier and its hidden valley is crucial for predicting future sea level rise. Secondly, let's talk about the Gumbert of Mountains. Imagine a vast and majestic mountain range like the Alps, completely buried under kilometers of ice. These are the Gumbert of Mountains, which were discovered in 1958. Discovered by a Soviet expedition, these hidden giant mountains extend for more than 1,200 kilometers, making them comparable in size to the entire European Alps. The origins of the Gumbert Mountains are still shrouded in mystery, but research suggests they may have formed as a result of complex interactions between ancient tectonic movements over hundreds of millions of years. Some theories suggest that these mountains played a crucial role in the formation of the ice sheet. In East Antarctica, the largest ice sheet on Earth, the Wilkes Land Crater. The Wilkes Land Crater is located beneath the vast ice sheet in eastern Antarctica. It measures about 480 kilometers wide, making it larger than the Chicxulub crater associated with the extinction of dinosaurs. Its history dates back more than 250 million years and coincides with the Permian-Triassic extinction event, which witnessed the largest mass extinction in Earth's history. Although not directly visible, evidence comes from gravity measurements by satellites that reveal a massive anomaly under the ice, indicating the presence of a huge impact crater. Its size and age align with the extinction event, raising questions about its role in this event. Scientists hope to conduct more in-depth investigations by drilling through the ice to analyze the structure and composition of the crater directly, which could provide tangible evidence of the impact and the specific type of meteorite. Understanding the effects of this impact could help predict the consequences of future impacts. The Wilkes Land Crater serves as a powerful reminder of the influence of celestial bodies and their ability to reshape the Earth and its inhabitants. Studying this crater provides an opportunity to understand the forces that have shaped the history of life on our planet. Fourth, hidden lakes. There is a network of subglacial lakes in Antarctica. It consists of giant bodies of water trapped under the ice, the most prominent of which is Lake Vostok, stretching over 250 kilometers in length. These lakes, isolated from the surface world for millions of years,
sparked speculation about the possibility of life supported by geothermal heat and chemical decomposition of rocks. Accessing these lakes poses significant challenges due to the ice cover thickness, which can reach several kilometers. Scientists are using advanced techniques, such as hot water drilling and sterile probes to minimize contamination and ensure the preservation of the pristine lake environments. Studying the chemical composition of the water and analyzing gases trapped in the ice can provide insights into the possibility of life in these harsh environments. Discovering life forms in these lakes could transform our understanding of organisms adapting to extreme conditions and boost hopes for finding life on other planets with similar environments. These lakes are a testament to life's resilience and ability to survive in the harshest conditions. Studying them may reveal secrets about Earth's history and future possibilities for life. Fifth, in 2021, a research team made a remarkable discovery of unexpected life while studying
Lake Ellsworth, a subglacial lake hidden beneath the vast ice sheet in East Antarctica. Imagine their surprise when they recovered water samples containing small shrimp-like creatures. These crustaceans, which were no larger than a fingernail, thrived in the pitch-dark conditions of the lake. The discovery of life in Lake Ellsworth was a turning point after decades of speculation. Scientists had long pondered the possibility of life existing in these isolated environments. Now we have concrete evidence. These shrimp-like creatures, known as amphipods, not only survive but flourish in the most extreme conditions. The discovery in Lake Ellsworth has profound implications. It raises questions about other subglacial lakes in Antarctica. If life exists in one lake, the likelihood of it existing in others becomes much higher. This opens up an entirely new avenue for scientific exploration and raises the question, what other forms of life might be hiding in the depths of these hidden oases? These shrimp-like creatures belong to a group of organisms called extremophiles, which thrive in extreme conditions. These organisms are masters of adaptation, flourishing in environments that would be lethal to most life forms. The low temperatures, crushing pressure, and lack of sunlight in subglacial lakes pose no challenge to these resilient organisms. Studying these creatures could provide valuable insights into the possibility of life on other planets with similar environments. Untapped resources. Imagine a box of the treasures are locked under very deep ice. This is how some people look at the potential energy reserves of the Antarctica. Southern geological surveys indicate that the continent may contain huge deposits of oil and gas trapped under kilometers of ice. The prospect of this black gold has aroused the interest of some countries, which sparked a debate about the extraction of resources in this pristine environment or not, and there is concern. It is true that resource extraction can turn into an environmental nightmare. This jeopardizes the delicate balance in Antarctica, and there is a global agreement in place to protect the continent. Antarctica defines the Antarctic Treaty Regime signed in 1961. Antarctica Southern as a land of peace and science, and the treaty attends all military activities and territorial claims with a focus on scientific cooperation for the benefit of all humanity. If you liked the video, do not skimp on a like and subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, and also mention your opinion in the comments about Antarctica.